Hi, my name is Juliana Lachance. Welcome to my studio in beautiful Hamilton, Ontario, where I'm working on a whole bunch of paintings all day long and starting a new project that I like to call having fun. So I'll show you. So here they are, and they're gonna look so awesome. This one is a new one, but I was like, why not paint solar system galaxy landscape? And I'm just in the middle of finishing them. I think there's like 4 layers on here, but I'm probably gonna put another one, the finishing touch here that I'm working on, and I think it just needs a little bit more balance. And I think its eyes are gonna have a home decor painting, and I think I'm gonna add a little bit more red to it, and it looks really pretty. I like the way it looks. This one is another home decor painting that would look really good in the home. I was redoing my self-portrait. I actually I painted over my face because I'm gonna redo it because I want to. A little bit more interestingness to the middle. I put some, it's like beautiful. Fun. So I'm excited to be I love the birds sitting on our shoulders in the doorway that I just finished today. I fixed the eyes, and then this is just the floor. I'm kind of just this is where I'm sitting, just in the middle of the floor. And everything's really bare. I've been getting a lot of work done. And then this is just my what I'm using on the floor to help me in the process. So the studio's really empty, and I'm gonna clean it up right now so that I can get a fresh perspective. Oh, here's some more.